Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bacon for breakfast. First, choose your favorite type of bacon, whether it's thick cut or regular. Then, decide on your preferred cooking method like oven baking or pan frying to achieve the perfect crispness. Prepare your cooking area and gather all necessary tools before you begin. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. There are several fantastic ways to cook bacon, each offering a unique texture. Oven baking is excellent for consistent crispness and minimal cleanup, especially for larger quantities. Pan frying gives you that classic sizzle and perfectly browned edges. For an extra crispy bite, consider using an air fryer. And if you're in a hurry, microwaving can be a quick solution for a few slices. For perfectly baked bacon, start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or foil for easy cleanup, then lay your bacon strips in a single layer without overlapping. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until it reaches your desired level of crispness. Once done, carefully remove the bacon and drain it on paper towels to absorb any extra grease. If you prefer pan frying, place your bacon in a cold skillet before turning the heat to medium. This allows the fat to render slowly, resulting in crispier bacon. Cook, turning the strips occasionally until they are golden brown and crispy. Once cooked, transfer the bacon to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess fat. Serve your delicious, crispy bacon immediately for the best breakfast experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.